Hi everyone, this is Jada with Kicksite, and for this video, we're going to be focusing on recurring billings and if we need to ever change that paid through date for recurring billing. So from our dashboard, if we go to our finances, once we are in our invoices, we're going to go ahead and click over to our recurring billings tab, and then we're just going to find the appropriate recurring billing that we need to make the adjustment to. So we're going to go ahead and adjust membership for Jada test. So in this recurring billing, once it is already generated, we can edit the paid through date. So the process that you're going to want to follow to be able to reflect that new paid through date is go ahead and select your active bubble at the top and make sure that we inactivate this recurring billing. So we'll go ahead and complete this action. And once we can confirm that this is inactive, I would recommend that you go ahead and just archive this recurring billing. So if we go ahead and archive it, this is your way of deleting without fully deleting. You'll still have the history in the system, but we can see that this is no longer a recurring billing that we would ever need to activate again. So we will archive it. And then if we go back to our recurring billings tab, we can then create a new recurring billing to reflect that paid through date. So we'll select add new, and then you'll follow the same process that you always have when creating new recurring billings. Add in the price here, and then in the start date, we will then select maybe their paid through date now is on the 5th. So follow your same process, and once everything looks good to go here, we can go ahead and add it and view now to see your new recurring billing, and you're all set at this point.